My name is Aidan Ryan. I'm a director of Van der Ryan Furniture, and I head up the manufacturing end of the company.
I'm Michael Cowell. I'm a new director to Van der Ryan Furniture, and I head up the technical and commercial growth side of the business.
The company was set up in 1977 by my parents, and we took over the company in 2007. 25,000 square foot manufacturing plant here. We have 28 employees. Typically we started off with the kitchens, but in recent years it's grown into full house fit outs, drawing rooms, studies, beautiful bedrooms, dressing rooms, even hotel fit outs. And we started tramping across Europe looking for work, and we ended up in kitchens in Vienna, Paris, London, and then locally we have quite a strong market. We do a very high end of product, so obviously it's limited, it travels very well.
So we use ALPHACAM and cabinet vision for any piece of timber, door, drawer box, cabinet, frame, plinth, moulding that goes through our workshop here.
We have a POMAG BMG 611, it's the larger, it has the higher Z stroke in it, and 72 head tool changer in it. We have a BHX 200, it's a new addition to and they're all programmed from both cabinet vision and ALPHACAM, and they're interlinked with each other.
We manufacture everything in here, so doors, carcasses, drawer box, everything is made in-house here. We would buy in appliances, we would buy in worktops, and we would buy in handles and hinges. But anything that's timber gets made in-house, it gets spec'd on software, it gets output to machines and gets hand finished out in the production facility out the back.
Okay, we use a lot of veneered boards, walnut veneer, oak veneer, veneered MDFs. In the solid timbers, a lot of solid oak, a lot of solid beech. We were really marrying the old craft with the new. We've been using cabinet vision since 2006 and ALPHACAM since 2008. For the most part, cabinet vision produces the code that goes through processors, isn't it? But in the complex parts, we pull in ALPHACAM.
Somebody who's a specialist with that in our drawing team will output stuff for the factory floor, and any final quirky bits and pieces at that point would get put into ALPHACAM to output something specific for the factory floor.
The ALPHACAM came with the 5-axis, or we ordered it with the 5-axis CNC machining, so we've just opened up the 5-axis potential.
5-axis plus ALPHACAM gives us a competitive advantage to do things that our competitors can't, and it's crucial at this moment in time. If you want to compete at the high level, have to have something like that. I must say that these days the support services through both cabinet vision and ALPHACAM are very good. The way they manage support calls when you have them is very quick, very accurate, and you know, things get sorted and solved. Our goals and our strategy with this business are to look at scalable, sustainable, healthy growth, both in the Irish market, the foreign market and the UK market. You're only as useful as the tools that you have. And in this industry, this type of product, we've tried all the alternatives. There's no comparison to using cabinet vision for designing this type of stuff.
Safe, fast and accurate.
Oh, like that. What he said.